welcome to the fourth tutorial of HTML. Today we'll learn the tables. First of all, let's rub it off. Okay, so today we are going to learn how the tables are created in a web page. So first of all, we need to learn the tags that are used to create tables. First of tag, it is table tag. Then comes the tr tag, means table row. Then the th tag, table heading. Then the td tag called table data. Okay, and it is very easy. We'll do it practically right now. So first I start with h. So when I do h and I enter, it is here. So, and remember that this part, it is not important to start an HTML document. Okay, for starting an HTML5 document, first of all we will write the title, creating tables. Then in the body section only we'll write the table. Okay, so table tag, starting with the table tag, then tr tag. Then first of all I will write th for the heading. Okay, for th, okay, I can write the first name. Then another th means another heading. Then I can write role call. Then another th. This one is the last one. I can call it the grades. Okay, so this first row is complete. Now I'll create another one, and now I'll write td, means table data. Then I'll write a name, first name. I can write Anuj here. Then I td again, roll call, I can write 1. Then again td, I can write grade as A plus. Okay, great, you can write anything. This is just a tutorial. tr again, then td. Okay, now I can write another name as Darshan, and the roll call I can write 2. I'm sorry, td I have to start first, then I have to write 2, then I can start another one and A. Okay, then tr tag again, then td tag again, then I can write any other name. Let's take Kunal. Okay, then td again, roll call 3, then td again, and then I can write 3 plus. Okay, so our table is complete now, so I'll save it. Then we'll open it in browser to see how our table looks like. So now, as you can see, I have got this table right now here on my screen, and you have noticed that it is bold. Why? Because it is the heading, and it comes to bold automatically. The th tag boldens the text automatically. So as you can see, we'll learn afterwards how to just make it look like a table, and then for designing we'll learn CSS. Not right now. For right now we'll do just this. Now we'll meet in the next tutorial. Thank you for seeing this video. Hit a like if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.